exactly.
So need to...
You want me to take a 1/2 inch off?
Yeah.
Just cut a 1/2 inch forward?
Yeah. So we got a perfect piece. 4 by 6 by 4 feet. Right here.
Let's see, I think that thing is the loosening thing.
Why have so many sawdust? Oh, it's a blade. Come from the blade.
Yep.
Let's put in the middle.
Yeah. Got that little slot it fits into.
Too tight. You want to lose it, then tie it.
Got it. It should be good now. It's like grass or something.
It's okay here, loose like
Yeah,
this?
this is supposed to be loose.
Okay.
But I need to look into the manual and see how
Manual
tight.
is here.
Yeah, I gotta see how I'm supposed to adjust the belt. I never read that part. I like how it has the manual case right here.
Yeah, I'll put here. You don't want to lose the manual.
That's where they want it to be, I guess. That's pretty tight.
Something is wrong. What's happening?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out.
Are we run out of soapy water?
Oh, it's nothing like that. Soapy water just keeps the blade from sticking in the wood.
Oh.
This is like there's something binding, or this blade's not tracking right, or something.
Wow.
I should be able to turn this by hand pretty easy.
But it's not doing that right now.
Because this is just a centrifugal clutch, so this should spin on its own. So I just got to figure out what's going on.
I heard ka-dunk, the noise.
Yeah, well, it was trying to grab, but then it started slipping. Is it because the center bearing's loose or something? No? Doesn't have a tightening. You can see how...
Super loose there. See? Come!
See what happened when it came off.
Huh?
It jacked up the blade when it came off. That's what the problem is.
Oh.
It bent all the little teeth on the blade.
So
On the end. So when it tried going through, it started digging into the metal and digging into
so need to
everything
change a new blade?
else. So you gotta put a new blade on it.
Oh gosh, this blade only costs
Only did a couple cuts. Well, we could probably bend this one back, but it's gonna take some time to do it.
Yeah, just change it to a new blade.
Okay. I don't know why you're playing there. That's not.
Oh yeah, it's all bent up. Yeah, it's bent pretty bad.
And that's why it's digging into it itself as it goes around.
Yeah, $30 mistake. So every time before cut wood, need to check the blade, the intention, right?
Yeah. Well, it's good we got a fat pack of blades.
Hi, Ronnie. Hi, Lucy.
Yeah.
Look, you got extra blade.
Yeah. Here. I'm just gonna make sure it's sitting on the back of this.
Because
see how it should be easy to be able to turn it over?
yeah,
That's what I was looking for before.
yeah, this time should be right. Looks good. That little log turned out to be like 2 pieces of 2x4 by 6 by 5 feet. That's pretty good. This is all the number we got. The second cut use that machine. It's roughly around like 20 feet, 4 by 6. That's pretty nice.
I could just throw over the top. I know I got one on that engine over there. And I bet you I got one in the truck.
So the firewood for that 2 logs.
Oh wait, I got bungee cords.